That's gonna happen this week.
Wow.
That's gonna happen this week, and
That's a magical moment.
Yes, and grabe po yung mga eksena, mga conflicts last few weeks of Lobo. And may I just say, I'm so thrilled to be part of Lobo because parang sa dami kong ginawang soap, ito talaga yung pinaka-interesting and talagang na-challenge kaming lahat.
You have intimate moments with Angel. Wala bang pagkakataon na talagang na-tempt kayong dalawa magkatitigan at
Marami po. Siguro we're just so professional and we take our job seriously.
Not only about jobs, you're doing a film together.
We're doing a film together in Australia after we're done with Lobo. Actually, tomorrow we have training for the movie. So
Nag-ocular na yung
Lobo. We went in Australia already, and as soon as we're done taping for Lobo, diretso kami ng shooting ni Angel.
KJ, hindi lingid sa kaalaman ng tao, pati na sa amin dito sa loob ng industriya, kung nasaan ka bilang isang aktor, bilang hari ika nga ng Star Magic, wala ka bang nararamdaman na parang minsan kinaiingitan ka?
At kinilalaglag ka?
Hindi ko po nararamdaman. Ay, ano ba yun?
That's true. I mean,
amongst Star Magic family, parang more than envy siguro, parang hindi mo na just, parang come up to you, ask for advice or...
Paghanga.
Because siguro sure saying they look up to you and they wanna know how you do it. Parang sa amin, mas natutuloy naman yung mga Star Magic not to follow anyone's footsteps, anybody's footsteps, but to make your own mark. So parang sa amin may mga kanya-kanyang naman yan galing naman.
At sa estado mo ngayon, maligaya ka na ba?
More than happy.
More than happy.
Grabe po yung pagkakontento ko sa buhay ko, sa career ko.
Mapangahas ang tanong na ito. No, really, but Piolo, hindi ka ba natatakot na wala kang karibal?
Tito Boy naman
No, really. I mean, come on. Think about it. I'm coming from the point of view of a manager. Hindi ka ba natatakot? Sometimes it's hard to be alone.
Honestly, I'm well aware of that.
You are?
Yes.
Di ba? Naisip ko lang ngayon habang tinitingnan kita. Parang,
But kung magkakaba po ako para I'd be ungrateful for the things that come my way. I just feel so blessed and I'm so grateful because for the last 10 years that I've been in the business, never po nag-slow down yung career ko. Kung darapin yung point na magiging seasonal na tayo, magiging konti-konti na lang, I'd be really thankful because dumating yung time na talagang na-maximize ko yung oras ko sa...
no, but you're blessed. You're blessed, you're lucky, you're talented, you're good-looking. Pero alam niyo po mga kaibigan, wala ko yata akong maisip na kontrobersiya o intriga na hindi pa pinagdadaanan ni Piolo Pascual. Pero isa ka sa very few artists in the industry na hindi natibag, hindi naapektuhan. The magic is something that we cannot explain. The mystery is something that we cannot explain. Pero minamahal ka ng lahat. Because I think you're really, and this is not meant to pander to you, because this is for real. Because I think habang ikay narito sa loob ng industriya, you remain a big mystery. You remain interesting, and you remain one of the most brilliant, if not the most brilliant actor of your generation.
Wow, thank you.
And may I add, it's also genuinely nice. I feel tanongin mo mga directors, co-workers, they always have positive things to say about you.
Ang boy! Isa sigurong katangian kung bakit mula noon hanggang ngayon nandyan siya, yung kasimplihan ng kanyang puso. Isa sa pinakamababaw na tao sa mundo, si Piolo Pascual.
That's true.
Thank you, bro.
That's true. Maraming salamat.
Before anything else, I'd like to also greet my family sa Star Magic po. Kasi po bukod sa ABS-CBN, kung wala naman po pangangalaga at guidance ng Star Magic, with Mr. M, Tito Mariol, my handler, Tito Lulu Romero, and all the RMs, hindi po kami magiging kami ngayon because sila po talaga yung nagbibigay sa amin ng lakas, nagbibigay sa amin ng mga proyekto, sila yung nakikipaglaban for us. So, I'm really thankful to be part of Star Magic.
Alright! Mabuhay. TJ, maraming salamat. God bless.
God bless po.
And stay there. What do you want? And tell someone who's in the theater. Anong guidance sa
Yeah, for sure.
Wholesome naman kami. We're reading the Bible
I'm sorry,
together.
Rufa, you are?
We're very wholesome.
Very nice.
Ako ba ang kaligayahan lupa si Piolo?
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
Anyway,
Huwag kayong aalis.
Madali naman. Sana yung marating nyo ang dapat marating yung inyong pagiging magkaibigan. Dahil tayo nagdiriwang ng ating 9th anniversary dito sa Sana ito'y maging umpisa ng isang bagay na
Sana hindi
maganda.
tumayo.
lang po yun, mga
Joke lang po yan sa
kaibigan.
amin. Mga kaibigan. DJ.
Happy anniversary po.
Okay. Huwag po kayo maalis. At magbabalik po po ang The